Let's Go on a Fire Truck by Rosalyn Albert and Natalia Moore. Let's go on a fire truck, racing through the street. The bell rings. Someone needs our help. We jump to our feet. Down the pole we slide with speed. We wear our fireproof suits. We fasten up our helmets, then put on our gloves and boots. We zoom out of the station. We're driving really fast. Sirens blaring, lights aglow. Cars stop to let us pass. Our big truck screeches to a halt. We see the flames so bright. They're creeping up a building, giving everyone a fright. We aim our hose up high. Whoosh! The water gushes out. Flames fizzle, then they disappear. The people cheer and shout. Next we put our ladder up. Like heroes, up we climb. To rescue someone stuck up high, we get there just in time. We saved the day. Our job is done. Let's have a celebration. We proudly honk our fire truck's horn and drive back to the station. The end.